The alligator is a reptile, a cold-blooded animal whose body temperature fluctuates with the environment. Alligators primarily live in freshwater, but they can adapt to other environments. Alligators will continue to grow throughout the year if the water temperature remains above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Below this temperature, the animals become inactive. To be profitable, an alligator must reach 3 to 4 feet in length and weigh between 14 and 22 pounds. In a controlled environment, with the temperature kept above 80 degrees Fahrenheit and food provided, they can be expected to grow to 4 feet in 18 months. All alligators 4 feet and under must be kept inside a controlled environment, maintaining a minimum constant temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. On sunny days, they will attempt to raise their body temperature by sunning themselves. Farms maintain broodstock to produce eggs. Alligators breed during the months of May and June. After breeding, the female builds a mound of mud and vegetation about 3 feet high by 5 to 6 feet wide. She lays 30 to 70 eggs, depending on the alligator's age and body conditions. The eggs they lay are collected, incubated artificially, and in about 9 weeks, the eggs hatch. The juveniles are grown to a certain size for meat or leather production, and harvested. In confinement, alligators are fed prepared diets. Alligators are usually fed every day. Feeding alligators in captivity often involves using fish, poultry, and other meat sources. Alligators are segregated by size to reduce fighting. Farmers must house alligators of different lengths in at least 3 groups, providing separation for all alligators less than 2 feet in length, 2 to 4 feet in length, and over 4 feet in length. A typical stocking density regime is 1 square foot per animal until a length of 2 feet, then 3 square feet per animal until a length of 4 feet, and 6 square feet per animal up to 6 feet in length. Land and water areas sufficient for complete submersion or complete exit from the water shall be provided for each group of alligators held. Pens are flushed, washed and refilled with well or surface water daily, or up to once every 3 days. Farming alligators first grew out of the demand for skins, which can fetch hundreds of dollars each. Alligator skin is highly sought after in the fashion industry for making luxury leather goods, such as handbags, shoes, and belts. The second most valuable product from alligator farming is meat. Alligator meat is a healthy choice, low in fat and high in protein. Most of the meat sold comes from the alligator tail. In addition to meat and leather, other byproducts from alligator farming can include oils, bones, and teeth.